I'm so excited. We finally have that small smartwatch women have been waiting for. So Lily is a great-looking smartwatch that really crosses the intersection of fashion and fitness, and it looks like a classic accessory that really has those modern smartwatch features. People are used to seeing Garmin create really innovative features, and we definitely still do that. But for Lily, we took a different approach, and we really wanted to make this all about the design.
I am Kelly Walters. I'm a CMF designer, which is a color, materials, and finishes designer. So I do a lot of trend forecasting and color forecasting. So on a product like Lily, I design the colors, give direction to the patterns and textures, and design the finishes on the product. So we've seen for a long time a really strong trend in athleisure, and we see that being really strong going forward, especially after work from home. And Lily's design is meant to be everyday and fit with everyday, timeless, classic fashion. So we have two Lily models. We have the classic and we have the sport. The classic models have Italian leather and stainless steel hardware. So we wanted those to tie to the business casual athleisure aesthetics that we're seeing in fashion. The sport models have silicone bands and aluminum hardware. So we wanted those to fit in with more sport athleisure aesthetics.
My name is Julie Haney. I'm a senior industrial designer at Garmin, and my focus on Lily was really on the hardware design and also on the patterns on the watch face. This lug design really harkens back to a more traditional classic timepiece, highlighting that small size. I think younger generations are really used to seeing a larger smartwatch, and this is the first time they're seeing something this small on their wrist that's compatible with everyday wear. This is the first time something finally fits my wrist.
On Lily, we have patterns for each individual model. So on the classic models, we were very inspired by monogrammed patterns in luxury and classic fashion that are very simple and tiled. On the sport Lily models, we are very inspired by natural and wellness patterns that we see in athleisure and sport-based athleisure.
I think Lily presents a unique opportunity in design. Readability was a big consideration for Lily. We worked on the subtlety of the patterns and the textures to make sure that the display shone through, and then it was really easy to use and function. In the fashion world, this is definitely more of a sport watch, but in the fitness world, this is more of a fashion piece, and we really had to work hard to appeal to both of those audiences.
So fashion trends vary from country to country, and we worked with an international focus group of our female associates to make sure that we were bringing products and colours to the market that would have an appeal worldwide and that everybody would have a Lily device that would be perfect for them.
Lily has all of Garmin's industry-leading health and fitness features inside of it, a tiny little smartwatch. So it has heart rate monitoring, stress tracking, body battery, women's health tracking, and then also has all the connected features you'd expect. So text messages on your wrist, and then even a Find My Phone feature that I find very useful.
In my time at Garmin, we've created many watches for women. This is one of the first times we've really crafted that story fully from the start of the process.
So women want to wear something that looks fantastic on their wrist and makes them feel good. Lily is absolutely that. It has all the features that you would want from a smartwatch, but in a really small device that looks fantastic on your wrist and works with every outfit.
Lily is a small smartwatch women have been waiting for.